Welcome everyone! With Microsoft 365, you get the latest versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, plus a full terabyte of secure cloud storage. With Microsoft 365, you get robust OneDrive cloud storage and advanced security. Work from anywhere on any device.
Hello everyone, welcome to my sales channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about Microsoft 365. What is Microsoft 365? Microsoft 365 is a modern productivity platform that combines standard Office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint with cloud storage, OneDrive, and advanced security tools, available through monthly or annual subscriptions. This platform allows you to work from anywhere and on any device. Where and how can you purchase this product? Don't worry, friends, I'll help you with purchasing and activating the product. First of all, you can purchase it easily and securely via the link below the video. Our store is open to international orders and is extremely secure. We offer a 100% money-back guarantee and a satisfaction guarantee. Our products include the following: 365 activation. Instantly activate Office 365 on PC or Mac. Complete access. Includes a full account and password for immediate use. Wide compatibility. Works seamlessly across Windows and Mac OS systems.